Well, we're off to the hospital. Shoulder surgery today, March 1st. Levi's driving me. What a good kid.
Arrive at Canadian Surgery Solutions. Arrived.
We made it. Canadian Surgery Solutions. It all boils down to this.
Giving them the plug.
Let's do it. I don't think I'll be walking this fast when I come out.
Yeah.
Well, just got out of surgery. Levi picked me up. Pretty drowsy. Kind of sore. Got a really cool sling and an ice box. And we're gonna go pick Mom up. That all worked out good. It all fell into place.
Interview there or whatever.
Mom came to pick us up. She's riding. It worked out for all of us.
Mom came to pick us up.
Oh yeah, I'm a little bit drowsy. There's Levi,
Levi came and picked us up.
Teresa, and me. Arm is pretty sore. And I'm a little bit nauseous. Mom and Levi just went in to get some Tylenol, 3. And then we'll be home and I can have something to eat. Just resting. This will be my new home here, this couch, for 2 months. Just kidding. They got me propped up here good. It feels good. I've got ice on. We're gonna have some supper. I got a special treat here. Here's what the card says. Wishing you a speedy and full recovery, Bart. Enjoy the time off. Create an elite March Madness bracket. And make sure your iPad has an extra battery. Jung family. Thank you very much, you guys. That's super nice. I got a mug full of chocolate-covered strawberries. That's super nice. I might be able to even have one tonight. Thank you, Andrew. Super good guy. The table works perfect. Perfect height. Arms out of the way. Can almost slurp this soup. HQ. Out on question 5.
We're doing some exercise today. This is the first day after. Pretty painful. That's okay. Only do what you can. It's only as much as possible, it says.
Supper time. Freshie bowls. Looks pretty good.
With the worst TV show on ever.
Yeah, we're gonna change it up, and Levi's gonna put on basketball or curb. Taped up and got my ice packs on. Feels pretty good. The cold water's coming through right now. Pain goes away instantly when that hits. That's good. And the exercises went really good today. Heading out to shovel. 1 glove, 2 coats. I'm gonna do a lot of watching. Lift with your legs, eh? Yeah.
Look how high it is. Pretty high snow. Bad. Not sweet.
Look at that form. third session of exercises. Should be a little bit better this afternoon. Pretty easy, straightforward. The next one is the door knot. It's pretty simple too. It's just basically that. Palm up, palm down. Just spinning it. I can feel it in that bicep. It's just the shoulder lifts. I gotta go up to my ears and then pull them back and then down. This one's the table slide. I've gotta just slide the bad arm out as far as I can without it hurting and try to get further every time. And I follow it with my good arm just to keep my posture straight. I'm on 9. You can see how it's coming a little further, and then you're supposed to lean to go even further to try to get this shoulder to lay flat on the bar. So you can see how it loosens up just after doing 9, and then I have to use my good arm because I can't hold the weight of the operated one. So I gotta just go down about 20 degrees, roughly. And this is also one that gets easier after I do a few. That's a lot better and earlier today. Push the one that was operated on out as much as I can. Just doesn't want to go that way very good. Lift the bad one up over my head. This takes a little while to stretch it out. This one I couldn't even make a circle the first night. So much better. Well, March 4th, 4 days after. Didn't sleep very good last night. Was really sore, but just finished having a bath and gonna do some exercises. I've been pretty regular on the ice and the exercise. And check this out. Jiggly already, and then like this, doesn't move.
Then if you're flexed, that one.
And this, there's just nothing. It's just grandma. But it's feeling better. This is a bed that I've been trying to sleep in. I've piled pills in the corner, tried pretty much everything, and it doesn't work. I sleep for about an hour and then I get up really sore. Biggest problem is back here on my shoulder blade. I can't have anything against it or it just, the whole shoulder starts to throb. So I've been leaning on this side, trying to avoid, but it worked, but it's not the best. So we tried this bed, and then last night I tried the bed in our room, sleeping on my side like normal. So I would sleep this way, which worked good for about an hour, but this I would block up to keep it, because if it moves down, it really pulls on that. And then if I go back that way, same thing, it's on the shoulder blade. So I had about an hour of sleep on here. Then I got up, went in that other room. It didn't work very good, but today we think we figured out something else. So I'll take you down and show you. So now we're downstairs. We came out here and had a coffee this morning. And I was sitting on this couch and I thought, geez, this is comfortable. It's not, it's lower than my shoulder blade. And then we started thinking maybe I'll lean in this and sleep. So anyways, we made kind of a neat fort. We gotta fine tune it a bit. So I'm in the driver's seat now. That's how I wish I could have slept the last few nights. Just lean my head like this. And I'm very comfortable, so I'm hoping that'll work. And Teresa found I got a collar, inflatable collar, that'll work. So we're gonna dress this up, make it look a little better. Kind of set up in my pod. I feel like I'm in a little spaceship. It's pretty comfortable. It's good on my back. It's not bothering my shoulder. We'll give it a try. This is day 6, first day with the dressing off, and I had a shower. So this is the first time I've seen where they entered my shoulder. It seems pretty good. They went in back there. day 9. I'm going to do some exercises, see how well I can stretch. Just some easy hand stretches. Usually the first 3 and then 5 really still. A little shaky. Down. No problem. The stretch feels good today too. Down's a little bit tougher. Just finished my stretches, put my sling on. I'm gonna go do the ice. Okay, I'll put my ice pad on. The ice has it. Okay, it's all on. Feels good. Nice and cold. Just sit back and relax. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. I just decided to go for a coffee, so heading out on a little walk. It's nice. It's +6, so I'm going to make my way to the coffee shop. Take that back. There's no way it's +6. Home. Hasn't been too bad. Sidewalks are clear. Having actually a really good time. Made it. We're home.
When your heart is filled with doubt and your mind is filled with borders, you can hear the vultures come and it's late. So late. What have we done? Oh, now what's the world becoming?
Oh, what a dream. Went for a walk, went to Timmy's, got a coffee. Sweet.
Those three
Hey.
angles are showing you all cameras running at the
Here.